Welcome to the Daily Jink for Wednesday, May 12th. I'm sorry, it's May 13th. Okay, here's the quote of the day. Taste all and hand the knowledge down. Gary Snyder. He's a beat poet, still alive and kicking, and he lives in Northern California. You should definitely take a look at his work. Let's go to the schedule. This is Wednesday. If you do 1.3 is due. Take a look at these examples of the reader analysis. The rough draft of the paper is due tomorrow, or finally due by Friday at 6 a.m. And I'll be reading them Friday and Saturday morning. And then you can get my comments, and then the final draft will be due on Monday. Okay, so we're dealing with the Hofstadter discussion here. Started on the first day, and we're continuing with it. It's due on Friday or by Monday at 6 a.m. So make sure that you do that. You need 2 posts into the discussion. These discussions are to help you get ideas for the paper. And in this case, you're doing a reader analysis, which you're talking about the process you're going through to read Hofstadter's essay. You should not be writing about what he's talking about as much as you should be writing about how you have read what he's talking about. Give us that narrative of your reading, not a critique of what he's saying, but this is totally personal. It's telling the reader analysis is telling the reader how you were able to get to his ideas. And it's always a process. You start at some point where you're naturally confused because this essay is difficult. And then you do one reading of a short section, and then you do another reading, and you build on the kind of knowledge that you make from each of these readings. And you give us that insight, that narrative, that process of how you gained understanding through reading, not what Hofstadter means by blah blah blah. That's a that's at the end of the reading. You would say something like that. We don't want a reading that is final. We want the process of how you went from confusion to not so confused to I understand it now a little bit, sort of thing. Okay? So the question of the day is, when is the Hofstadter discussion due? And it's due on Friday. Okay? All right, thanks. Bye.